Okay, let us now do the African continent. We will start from the country Morocco. Before that, let me draw a line here because it is not already drawn. So, this is the country Morocco. This is Algeria. This is Tunisia. This is Libya. This one is Egypt. Firstly, I will try to cover all the countries on the coast, like we will cover from here to here and will come like this, and then we'll cover the middle portion. This is how I approach it. So then after Egypt we have Sudan, then this country here is Eritrea, this tiny one is Djibouti. I am not really sure how to pronounce it. Then this one here is Somalia, and this is, since it is close, so we'll do this as well, although it is not a country on the coast, but still. This one is Kenya. Okay, I'll give you a very, what have I written? This is Kenya. So there is this thing called Horn of Africa. It consists of four countries, which are, this is a mnemonic by which I have learned these four countries. S stands for Somalia, E stands for Eritrea, the another E stands for Ethiopia, and D stands for Djibouti. Okay. Um, to the south of Kenya is Tanzania. Then this one here is Mozambique. Then this one is South Africa. This one is Lesotho. This one is Eswatini. Earlier it was named Swaziland. Okay, I'll write here for you. But I think after the year 2018, it was known as Eswatini. I'm really not sure about the year. I'm just guessing. Okay. Then this is Madagascar. Somewhere here we have Seychelles, and somewhere here we have Comoros. Okay, let us complete the coastal region. So we were at South Africa. This is, I think, yeah, this is Namibia. Oh God, why am I committing mistakes in the spellings? This is Namibia. This is Angola. See, this one is Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC. It seems to be in the middle, but it is a coastal country. See, somewhere here, it touches the sea, the ocean. And this tiny one is again Angola. This is Congo. This is Gabon, or whatever you pronounce it. This one is Equatorial Guinea. And somewhere here we have South Tome and Principe. Principe. This one is Cameroon, and this one I think is Niger, maybe Niger or Niger. I think it is Niger. I am little confused on this. It might be Nigeria. There is a slight possibility that it might be Nigeria. Actually, these two countries, this one and this one of them is Niger and one of them is Nigeria. At this point, I'm confused. Which one is Niger? Majority, like major chances are that this is Niger, but I'm I cannot be like 100% certain. There is a scope of doubt. So I might clarify it later. This is Ghana, this is Togo, and this one is Benin. Benin. This is Togo, and this is Ghana. I've like learned the pair of these three, the group of these three countries with the mnemonic GTB. This is what I've done. This is Ivory Coast. This is Liberia. This is Sierra Leone. Okay. This one here is Guinea, most probably. And this one is Guinea Bissau. Again, I'm a little doubtful, but okay, let us just go about it. Yeah. This, um, okay, again, I'm confused. One of these countries, like this one and this tiny passage like country, one of them is Senegal and one of them is Gambia. And again, I'm confused. Okay, let us just go about it. I think this one is Senegal and this one is Gambia. I might clarify it later if it is not correct. Otherwise, mostly major chances are that it is Gambia. This one here is Western Sahara. This is Mauritania. This is Mali. This is Nigeria. This is Chad. This is Central African Republic. This is the one south of Sudan is South Sudan. The best name that we can have. And the one south of Sudan, south of South Sudan is Uganda. No, it is not South Sudan. This is Rwanda and this is Burundi. This is Malawi. Okay. The one bordering South Africa is Botswana. This one here is okay, one of them is Zambia and one of them is Zimbabwe. So Zambia and Zimbabwe. I have learned it like this. After Z we have A. So A will come to the north. Zambia and Zimbabwe is here. I remember its capital is Harare. I don't know where it came from, but yeah. So I think that's all about the map of Africa. I think we've covered all the African countries. I hope there is no one left. Okay, so yeah, that's all about it. So earlier we missed one country, which is Burkina Faso. This is here. Now let us move to the important water bodies, the ones I remember. This one here is Strait of Gibraltar. This one. This is Aegean Sea. This is in Europe. This is Red Sea. This is Gulf of Aden. And this is Bab al Mandab, something like that. I might not be really much sure about the way I pronounce these words. Okay, this is Mozambique Channel. IQUE. Mozambique Channel. This is Maputo Bay, or whatever you call it. This is Algoa Bay, I guess. This is Saint Helena Bay, or whatever. This is Gulf of Guinea. I think this one here is Gulf of Benin, but again, I'm not much sure about it. So I think that's all about the map of Africa.